Bellissimo.
Yes, no?
Wow.
Bellissima, bellissima.
Bellissimo, bravo, bravissimo. sei
Bravo,
bravissimo.
grazie. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the next video in Milan. We are in, I have no idea where we're in, but I'm gonna let you know very soon when we arrive to our destination. If you guys are enjoying the series so far, please hit the like, drop a comment and let me know, say hi, it really helps the video. So right now I'm gonna be filming the second Photos of Strangers video here. Really beautiful. I wasn't gonna get off here, but I saw the backdrop and it looks super nice. Hey man, scusi.
Scusami, dimmi.
Ah, are you on the phone?
Yeah.
All good?
Ti chiamo dopo un secondo.
Cioè, sto girando un video per YouTube.
Ok.
Mi gusta tu look, I like your look.
Ok.
Posso farti una foto?
Sì, certo.
Yes, perfect. Can we go over here?
Ok.
Okay, perfect. Where are you from?
From Parma, near Milano.
Ah, okay.
City near Milano.
Okay, cool.
City.
Awesome. So, if you stand, English, good, yeah? Perfect. Okay, so if you stand, well, I can wait for her, and you'll stand just here. So the first one I'll get you to do, you can cross your arms.
Ok.
Okay, perfect. And looking just in this direction. Yes, standing a little bit more on the road. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Yeah, perfect, perfect. And one, maybe with your hand against this pole, just something like this.
Okay.
Yep. Show me more of yourself a little more. Yeah, perfect. I see, I see. And one more this way with this
Okay.
here in the background. Are you just here on holiday?
No. I live here.
Ah, okay, you live
near
in
Naviglio.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
awesome. Ah, is that what that town is called? The where the river goes through?
Naviglio?
Naviglio.
Naviglio, yeah.
Okay, perfect, because I needed to know the name. Naviglio. That's where we're going, guys, Naviglio. Perfect, stand here in the middle. Yeah, just right there. Turn around. Yeah. Awesome, awesome. And can we try one with you kneeling like this? I see. Yes. Legs a little more open, I see. Yes, yes, yes. Serious. Put your hand out like this. Try something. Boom. Have a look. Let me show.
Okay, wow. Wow, okay, wow, beautiful. Wow. Oh, thanks again. Oh,
Awesome.
thanks. Nice to meet
No.
you, Manuel.
Yes. What's your name?
Manuel.
Manuel.
Your name?
Brad.
Okay.
Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like
Hey
it
guys,
thinks
scusi, sto girando un video per YouTube. I really like your look. Posso farti una foto?
Vai.
Yeah. That's all I know in Italian.
No,
You guys speak English? No, you guys both.
Okay, sì,
But like
okay.
portraits.
Vai, ok,
Okay,
grazie.
let's get some here. Where are you guys from? Milan?
Benevento, no, Milano. Campania, near Naples.
Ah, I want to go. I want to go
sì,
next.
okay.
See, it's really beautiful, no?
Yeah.
Okay, who's first? La primera.
Io?
Yeah.
Ah, una
See, then just here. One hand maybe on. La mascarina. Aquí, qua. Maybe one hand on your hip, and this hand come up like this. Perfect, perfect. Looking at me.
I'm taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no.
Ok,
Y así.
ok.
Yes, modelos en la calle. And maybe así. Yes, stay like that. And maybe with this hand, así. No, así.
Okay.
Como antes. No con esto. Yeah, with this hand. And this hand, put it out to me.
Okay.
Like this. Yeah, yeah. And maybe the other way. This way. Perfect, perfect. Yes, quiet. Yes, love them. Check them out, guys. Have a look.
Tell me your name.
Yeah, it's Brad. I'll show you on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah. So have a look.
Oh, bella. Bella.
Yes, bella.
Bellissima.
Yes, no?
Wow.
Bellissima, bellissima.
Bellissimo, bravo, bravissimo. sei
Bravo.
bravissimo.
Grazie.
To my face, it's okay.
We are sisters.
Oh, you guys are sisters?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I can send
Yes.
all of the email all to one.
Yes.
I think in 2 months I'm going to come to Naples.
Okay.
Naples.
Okay.
So yes, send me some good pizza.
Yes.
Tell me
Yes.
where, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Ciao.
grazie, you too, bye. Okay, currently today, guys, is amazing. I'm loving it. The people are looking great. People are so friendly. If you guys are enjoying the video, please give me a like. Don't forget to comment as well. It really does help my videos. And let me know, you guys, if you guys have been to Milan before, if you like it, what are your thoughts? And if you haven't been to Milan, would you come here after watching this video? And what do you think of the fashion? It's insane. It's insane here. Okay, that right there, guys, is uncalled for. We have this beautiful arch, and look what they put right in the middle, a bin. Why? So yeah, I was thinking, let's get some down here by the water. Are you just here for vacation? And how's the Milan life?
Kind of boring.
Really?
I don't like Milan.
Oh no?
When I'm going to be in here for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you have seen everything. It's a
No, I got
small
you.
city. And last time I was here for like 5 months, and I was like, oh, get me out of here.
What are you doing for work here?
I'm doing modeling.
Oh, no way. I was gonna say I've met some models while I've been here. So let's try some over here so you can sit. First one's like this, yeah. Please don't drop anything into that creek because we're not jumping in there. And maybe, so a little bit over, tiny bit more. Perfect. And one sec. Let me just get it closer. Perfect. And one, yeah, I was just gonna say looking in that direction. One sec. And maybe can I get one with your hand doing something like this? Yeah. Awesome. Yes, perfect. Have a look at
That
this.
timing. That looks cool.
Yeah, these are nice ones.
Does it really matter what they do? Baby, got me breathing now.
Hey guys, scusi. Sto girando un video per YouTube.
Sì.
Posso farti una foto? When I like this style.
Certo.
Are you guys a couple?
No.
No.
Okay, but together, no? Picture together?
Okay.
Yeah. Where are you guys from?
South Italy.
The south.
Yeah.
Near Naples?
No, no.
No.
More
Even further
Near
south.
Sicily.
Calabria.
Oh, I want to go to Sicily so bad. Perfect, Bele. Okay. One sec.
Can you explain what?
Yeah. So guys, stand a little closer together.
More
Yeah.
closer.
You guys are gonna be a couple for this shoot,
Okay,
okay? Yeah. Oh. You guys are a good couple. See it?
Welcome to this one-way ride. We're all on it. Got to.
Maybe one RC like this. Yes, check them out.
Oh my god.
Do you like them? Yeah. Awesome.
So, don't you know? Why
Okay, let's try some with the
just
arms crossed. Yeah. Perfect. Chin looking a little this way. Yep. Awesome. Other way, because you have the earring. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, one hand even in the pocket. And let's try one as well, like this, looking down. More like, yeah. See. Because of your legs, no? I see. Perfect. And maybe.
Open your eyes, see the open sky. Don't you know?
Ciao. Do you speak English?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, and I take photos of strangers when I like their style. And you look really cool. If you want a picture,
Yeah.
yeah, and I can send it to you as well. So we'll do some here in the street. Are you a photographer too?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Where are you from?
China.
你今天过得好吗？
Oh,
好。
good.
Okay. 我很好. So stay just a little bit here. Perfect. And can you take off the mask? What kind of photos do you take? What kind of pictures do you take usually? street photography or
I'm student.
studying photography?
Yeah.
What's your favorite style of photography? Documentary.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so yeah, let me see. Stand legs a little bit further apart. Okay, and maybe one hand on your hip. Leaning back a little bit. Awesome. And maybe with this hand, can you do something like this on your face? Yeah. Aha. Yeah, stay there. Can't handle it, can't handle it. Okay, have a look, have a look.
Oh.
Shy. Cool ones, no? Do you like it?
Just good.
Open your eyes, see the open sky. Don't you know? Shake whatever.